On this short video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages. Excuse me. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps, open the apps like this, scroll until you find the Messenger, click on Messenger, click on force stop. When you click on force stop, go down into the storage, click on clear data, and then click on delete, exactly like this. Go back, click on the power usage details, click down here on force stop, and then go back to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks and enable the airplane mode, exactly like this. And after 5 seconds just disable it. And now what you want to do next is just turn off your phone and turn it on again. So don't forget to like, subscribe.